And there's in thing if among figures on Evil, you know, there's this network of people like us, that's on Evil, that are really pushing to change the environment, you know. And one thing I like about that circle is that everyone is willing to help everyone, you know. I can easily make a call to Master Bev, for example. I'm like, yo, bro, I need tables or tent or whatever. I'll hook you up, Ntwana. And understand, I like that.
And then also befuna something in return?
No, not really.
Because abanye uzothi Ntwana, you owe me, Ntwana.
Nah, not really. Eh?
Yeah,
not really. I've received a lot of favors from Abantu Daikasi, and I've also given out a lot of favors. So like it's beautiful, man. It's like beautiful to witness young people sihlangene working towards changing our environment. You know, I like that in fact. Yeah.
I've got a burning question.
Yeah.
That's where I want to get. Wena umuntu ozidayiselayo, right?
Sure.
More especially ebusuku.
Yeah.
Udayisa ngale inkathi abantu maybe late umuntu atsofa ukupheka uyazi uzothenga isibindi kuwe kuSophoro and then nama events. It means that you stay out until midnight.
Yeah.
We are Africans. Mina ngiyasaba ukuhamba ebusuku because kuney'tori zey'mfene ezihuqa ama-chain kuningi nje. Tell me your experience. I want you to take me through it. Izinto ezisakuhlasimlisa umzimba namanje mawucabanga ngazo njengoba ngishilo we not naming amagama abantu or anything, but I'm curious to know ukuthi njengenina niyikhova nina abantu basebusuku ekasi lethu, what are the things that we need to avoid thina abantu esithanda ukuhamba ebusuku, and what have you experienced in that?
Okay, so qala ngesikhathi.
Yeah.
People should avoid ukuba enkwarini after 2.
2 a.m.
Yeah, 2. Actually 12, man. Yeah, at 12 you should be thinking of going home, because that's where spirits start like circulating, you know, because after 12 gas.
Is that the reason why abantu abaningi abakhulekayo, let's say abahamba isonto, kuthiwe it's very important ukukhuleka midnight?
Yeah.
I hear you. I'm listening.
You know, because that's where imimoya iphuma kakhulu ngalezo inkathi lezo. You know. That's why most of the time uzobathi kutholakala umthakathi angeke bathi kutholakala ngo2 emini.
Never.
Kuzoba 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. You know. So I feel like those are the most spiritual hours when it comes to spirituality, you know. It's easy to do spiritual things at that time, whether good or bad. You know. Yeah, but that's the best time. In the spirit, you know.
Yeah.
And then after 12
they should avoid
food, yeah.
Masithi nje uma ucabanga ukuhamba 11:30 hamba kini.
Zambele request if you have to request, drive home if you have to drive home, you know. Just avoid ukuba sendaweni ngalezo inkathi lezo, you know. And then people should avoid getting too sludged. Yeah. Pulls out when a break, you know, because you never know. Because sekutumena le ntema poison, you know, ejwadeni. Who's about to Spanban died because of death is poison. He went out to drink, you know, and then he came back, he died. You know, so yeah.
Look spiky food.
Yeah.
I hear you.
You know. So yeah. Bantu nje basiphathe kahle mfethu. Umuntu athandaze makaphuma. It's Mdali, if whatever you pray to, ngithola abogogo nabomkhulu ngicela ningibheke ngiyahamba ngisabe sijabulisa, you know, just pray before you leave.
What have you experienced? Uboneni.
Ngibona into ezibhaya mfethu.
Let's talk about it.
Yeah, ngibona into ezibhaya.
Let's talk about your first shock. Into yokuqala eyenzeka that maybe made you ukuthi angisabuyeli la. Yazini ngiyayeka nale business fork.
Okay.
Because of a shock.
Okay, into engenze there's a situation that made me say angisabhayise sona.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a situation. but it wasn't spiritual, but it happened after 12.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Which is 2 guys that I know.
Okay.
Ngishilo
ngathi amagama.
yeah. And it's 2 it's 2 guys that I know and love, you know. I depend on them, they depend on me for a couple of things. So those guys got into a very brutal fight. That one. And one ended up esibhedlela, you know.
Kulwa bona bodwa, or they fighting with other people?
No, kulwa bona bodwa. They know each other, you know. So I don't know what happened ukuthi baqala ukulwa.
Yeah.
But nje abantu abazinayo, like uyazi eGasi manje sonke siyazana. Yeah. So that situation made me think like, I feel like one day it's gonna be me.
Ngizolinyazwa abantu engibaziyo.
And there's someone I wouldn't expect ukuthi uzongilimaza, because both those guys, you know, eKasi kunalama chitalawa that you look at him and you say, okay, yamfanela la yini. Of course. I understand, yeah. Both those guys you wouldn't think ukuthi bazofika kuleya situation, you know, ama outer grand eKasi, amabhutshu athi ngibeke kanjalo.
Yeah.
Amabhutshu ayithola. So i-situation yabo mana azange ngiphathe grand man.
Like badubulana bakwazana.
No, it was izandla bashayana ngezandla, but it was brutal. It was brutal.
And isinalento abantu baseKasi ababavimba abantu mabelwa, why?
Yeah.
Ababastop.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know why. Why vele? I don't know why. Like,
Is it maybe umuntu sabe ukuthi yo ngizothi ngiyavimba kulimale mina, or ngizothi ngiyavimba nami say they're gonna entangle me kuleyo beef yabo, or what?
You know, I think via enye into ne, when someone gets used to a certain thing happening, you understand? Say you just turn a blind eye. Sesijwayele ukuthi endaweni so siyazi ukuthi kuzoyenzeka, like kuzoliwa.
Le cherry yase next door athi ayayamura sesiye kayi5 sayobavimba, but they are still together.
Uyangithola?
Into zabo.
Yeah. So yeah, izinto like yeah. But yeah, there was another situation again. That was brutal. It was, I think kukelwa khona washona nokushona futhi. But it was an event, and it was a big event, ne? Big event eKasi, and it was packed. It was packed. I was out of stock at the time ngizobona the situation. So ngibhizi ngincedise enye out yami who's selling food. He's short staffed, so ngibhizi ngisebenza naye. I hear the sound. And it, in my mind, I'm like, this sound is like isibhamu ebusweni, ngathi khona umuntu oshaya umuntu ngesibhamu ebusweni.
Okay.
And then mangiphakamisa ubuso, so this guy is standing on top of this lady, and then umshanje ngegane ebusweni.
Ngegane?
Yeah. Isituno this.
Yeah, I get it.
Yamshaya ngayo.
Bapha abantu.
Okay. First things first, ne. Da abantu bebangaboni da, because people are facing the stage, and this thing is happening behind them.
Okay.
Ne. Okay. Umngani ka sisters lo phansi makazokhuza. This guy aphenduke khombe yena lo ngesibhamu.
Yeah.
Kuthi wena ukhuzani. And then bathengela around with the gun, and then gcina dubuleka lo cherry lo. And nanoma dubuleka, no,
Akunamuntu ozwayo.
I think I was the only person seeing that.
And what are you doing about it?
Okay, the first thing I did is run to the stage and stop the music. I called the event owner.
Sekadubulile ngaleso sikhathi.
Sekadubulile, sekavayile uye ngaphandle.
And umuntu omaziyo Riman?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Umuntu engimaziyo, abo sister laba abaphansi abantu engibaziyo. You know? And that's the most painful part about it, you know. I-trauma phela la.
Yeah.
Yeah, it got to a point ukuthi senginokuziphupha into so.
Even